Hi, my name is Natalie, and I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Preacher no-bake chocolate cookies. And here to help me today is my brother, Skylar. So the first ingredient we're going to add is the butter. And we're going to turn on the heat. So until the butter melts, I like to keep it on 6, and once it's melted, I turn it up to 7. And also chop up the butter. That way it'll melt faster. Just let it sit. So after my butter has melted, I will add in the milk. And then I'll add in my sugar. And I'm going to stir it. Now I'm going to turn it up to 7 after I got it mixed in. Make sure you stir often, that way the sugar don't burn on the bottom. And then you can see that it's starting to boil, so I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes. So make sure you have all of your ingredients ready before you start, especially the wax paper, and don't forget to spray it with Pam, because once it's done boiling, you have to add the ingredients very quickly. So I usually stop the timer at 20 seconds. And turn off the heat. And then I'm going to add in my peanut butter. And my cocoa. I'm going to stir them together. As quick as I can. Okay, pour it out. And you pour in the oats a little bits at a time. More than that. Humidity also affects how they set, so you might not always use all the oats. So now I'm going to start plopping the cookies. Each batch will make roughly 14 to 16 cookies, depending on the size. And if you want peanut butter, then you would not add the cocoa. And they will set about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're ready to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.